Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video, where today I'm going to break down my quality street advert. I would quickly like to point out that it was only after I finished editing both the commercial and the explanation video that I realized this could be better. So I went back and re-edited the videos one last time. I'm pointing this out because some parts of the video may look slightly different since I'm recycling some of the clips that I used in the previous explanation video. I started off by creating some random shapes over on Adobe Illustrator, which I was going to add to the background. I lowered their opacity and keyframed them in different positions to move them around in the back. I then created the main title and added a play button below. I duplicated the button and added a cursor icon that will hover over the button to begin the slot animation. I added a click sound effect and changed the color of the button to when the mouse clicks on it. For the slot machine animation, I created 3D shapes of the chocolate pieces using a software called Spline, which I had recently stumbled upon. I transferred the shapes and positioned them accordingly. The animation was created by keyframing the shapes at different positions going downwards. I then also added a 50% directional blur. Once I finished the first slot, I nested the clips together and repeated this process for the next 2 slots. I then just transferred the logo, changed the background color slightly, played around with the timing of each octagon and added the right sound effects for the video. And there you have it. A sweet short advert which for once didn't involve any cameras. I tried to simplify the process as much as I could, because although it seems pretty straightforward, this actually took me a lot longer to create than it should have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.